Want to lower your blood pressure quickly? Imagine transforming your health with just a few delicious foods. Stick around because what I'm about to share could change your life. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest health tips and tricks. Today, we're diving into an incredibly important topic: how to lower your blood pressure fast with the power of food. Let's get into it. High blood pressure, or hypertension, is a silent yet serious condition that affects over 1 billion people worldwide. It's often called the silent killer because it doesn't always show symptoms, but its effects on the body can be devastating if left unchecked. Chronic high blood pressure can lead to severe health complications such as heart disease, stroke, kidney damage, and even vision loss. The root causes of hypertension can be varied, including genetics, stress, poor diet, lack of exercise, and obesity. However, the good news is that high blood pressure can often be managed or even prevented through lifestyle changes, and diet plays a crucial role in this. By incorporating certain foods into your daily meals, you can naturally help to lower your blood pressure and reduce the risk of associated health problems. These foods work in different ways, such as by dilating blood vessels, reducing artery clogging cholesterol, or providing essential minerals that help maintain optimal blood pressure levels. Our modern diets, often high in processed foods and low in essential nutrients, contribute significantly to the prevalence of hypertension. But by making mindful choices and understanding the powerful impact of what we eat, we can take significant steps towards better health. Today, we'll explore 7 specific foods that have been scientifically shown to help lower blood pressure. These foods are not only beneficial but also delicious and easy to incorporate into your daily diet. Let's take a closer look at how you can make these heart-healthy choices a part of your life. Before we dive in, a quick disclaimer: I'm not a doctor, and this information is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet or health regimen. 1. Berries. Berries, especially blueberries, are tiny but mighty when it comes to health benefits. Packed with flavonoids, which are powerful antioxidants, berries help to improve your cardiovascular health. Flavonoids assist in widening blood vessels and reducing blood pressure. Regular consumption of berries has been linked to a reduction in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. You can easily add berries to your diet by sprinkling them on your morning cereal, blending them into smoothies, or just enjoying them as a fresh snack. Berries are not only delicious but also versatile, making them an easy addition to a variety of meals. 2. Bananas. Bananas are well known for their high potassium content, which is crucial for heart health. Potassium helps to balance the effects of sodium in the body, which is essential for managing high blood pressure. When you consume more potassium, it helps your body to excrete more sodium through urine, thereby relaxing the walls of your blood vessels and lowering blood pressure. Bananas are a convenient and portable snack that can be enjoyed on the go. They also make a great addition to smoothies, oatmeal, and baked goods, providing a natural sweetness and a health boost. 3. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are nutrient powerhouses. These vegetables are rich in nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is essential for dilating blood vessels, improving blood flow, and reducing blood pressure. Studies have shown that a diet high in nitrates can significantly lower blood pressure. You can incorporate leafy greens into your diet by adding them to salads, smoothies, soups, and stir-fries. Steamed or sautéed leafy greens make an excellent side dish that pairs well with any main course. 4. Oats. Oats are a fantastic source of soluble fiber, particularly beta-glucan, which has been shown to reduce blood pressure. Soluble fiber helps to improve cholesterol levels and overall heart health, contributing to lower blood pressure. Eating oats regularly can have a significant impact on both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. A simple way to include oats in your diet is by starting your day with a bowl of oatmeal. You can customize your oatmeal with toppings like fruits, nuts, and seeds for added flavor and nutrition. Oats can also be used in baking and cooking, making them a versatile pantry staple. 5. Garlic. Garlic is renowned for its medicinal properties, particularly its ability to lower blood pressure. The active compound in garlic, allicin, is released when garlic is crushed or chopped. Allicin helps to increase the production of nitric oxide, which relaxes and dilates blood vessels, improving blood flow and reducing blood pressure. For the best results, consume garlic fresh and raw, as cooking can reduce its allicin content. You can add minced garlic to salad dressings, dips, sauces, and cooked dishes to enjoy its health benefits and enhance the flavor of your meals. 6. Fatty fish. Fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and trout are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health. Omega-3s help to reduce inflammation, lower triglyceride levels, and improve the function of blood vessels, all of which contribute to lower blood pressure. Including fatty fish in your diet at least twice a week can provide significant cardiovascular benefits. You can prepare these fish by grilling, baking, or poaching them, and they pair well with a variety of vegetables and whole grains for a nutritious and balanced meal. 7. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is a delightful treat that also offers health benefits when consumed in moderation. Dark chocolate with a high cocoa content, at least 70%, is rich in flavonoids, particularly flavonols, which help to improve blood vessel function and reduce blood pressure. Flavonols stimulate the production of nitric oxide, which relaxes and widens blood vessels, enhancing blood flow. Enjoying a small piece of dark chocolate daily can be a heart-healthy indulgence. Just be sure to choose high-quality dark chocolate and keep your portions moderate to avoid excessive calorie intake. There you have it, the top 7 foods to lower your blood pressure quickly. Incorporating these into your diet can make a significant difference in your health. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below on which food you're excited to try first. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more health tips and tricks. Stay healthy, and see you next time.